Welcome to the universe of C Sharp asynchronous programming, where the tasks light up the sky like stars, each performing their own operations. Today, we are navigating two luminaries of this universe, Task.WaitAll and Task.WhenAll. Welcome to Tech of the Day, and we are going to explore Task.WhenAll and Task.WaitAll, where to use, when to use, why these two different asynchronous programming options are there. Let's continue. In the world of C Sharp, tasks are building blocks of asynchronous programming representing ongoing work. Task.waitAll and Task.whenAll are two methods that deal with multiple tasks simultaneously. But how do they differ and when should each be used? Task.waitAll is like calling all your space drones back to the ship and waiting for every single one to arrive before moving forward. It's a method that blocks the main thread until every task you have specified has finished. So be cautious. Though task.waitAll can create deadlocks, especially in UI environments, as it waits on the main thread. It's like waiting for a message from a drone that's waiting for your go ahead signal. Nobody moves. Until all the tasks are done, the thread is waiting here. It's not moving. On the flip side, task.whenAll is like sending your drones to different planets and continuing your space journey uninterrupted. This method returns a single task that completes when all the included tasks have finished without blocking the main thread. So this approach keeps your application responsive, especially in UI settings. You can continue other operations or respond to other inputs while your tasks complete in the background. So thread does not stop here. It continues working on other tasks, and when they run in simultaneously, and they run asynchronously, and they you don't wait for all of them to finish. So imagine, for real world scenarios, imagine you are coordinating a fleet of drones on a planetary survey. Task.waitAll is your choice when you need to wait for all data before moving on, like compiling a comprehensive map. But if you need to process data as it arrives while keeping the mission ongoing, Task.whenAll is your ally, allowing the control center, you, meaning your application, to remain active and responsive. Use task.whenAll for we are talking here advanced tips. So use task.whenAll for better responsiveness, especially in your UI and web applications. Avoid task.waitAll in main thread of UI application to prevent freezing. Consider exception handling strategies. Task.waitAll throws immediately if tasks fail, when task.whenAll allows you to handle errors post await. So, conclusion, you need to master this task cosmos. By understanding and utilizing task.waitAll and task.whenAll appropriately, you can manage multiple asynchronous operations efficiently, ensuring your C Sharp applications are responsive and robust. Embrace the power of these task handlers and steer your code through the cosmos of concurrency with confidence. That's all for today. I hope you understood the difference between task.waitAll and task.whenAll. Thank you for watching Tech of the Day, and please like, share, and subscribe.